In this TradeMiner video, we're going to take a quick look at the charts and graphs within TradeMiner. In a previous video, we ran our scan and looked through the table results. So now, let's just take a quick look at the results from a graphical standpoint. Let's first take a look at the default chart, the large chart here at the bottom. You'll notice that each year is represented by one candlestick. You can see the corresponding years listed along the bottom. This is 2008, 2009, 2010, all the way out to 2015. We're currently in 2016, so we're looking for and anticipating the next candle in the series, which is the current time frame that we'll be making our trades. Here on the left side is the monetary table, or basically the amount of money the market moved based on our set investment criteria listed up here. If you're familiar with candlestick charts, then this should be easy for you to read and understand. But to just give a quick summary, you can see the candle body. That's where the market opened and closed. If it's green, it closed higher than it opened, and if it's red, it closed lower than it opened. And the table on the left side tells us by how much. The white lines that protrude out the top and the bottom of the whole body are indicating the market's price range. As you can see here, the market rallied quite strong, but then pulled back for its close. That white line indicates how far the market rallied before pulling back to close. Now, if you look over here on the right-hand side of TradeMiner, you'll see other chart options that are also available to us. These are actually buttons, so if you click on them, it will change the chart view down here in the lower window. This chart is the equity curve chart. Had you taken this trade or had traded this particular recommendation every year over the past however many years, in this example it's going back 10 years, this is what your equity curve would currently look like. This is our risk versus reward chart. In this chart, for our purposes basically, the more green and the less red, the better. The more red you have, the greater your risk versus reward ratio, or how much risk was required to obtain the indicated reward. This last button is a summary results table of all the individual trades that made up these charts and table results. You can go through and see each individual trade's specific information about all the trades and what exactly happened each year. And that's just a quick rundown of the Charts tab window in TradeMiner.